All right, so look, one of the hardest things about, custom boxes and things like that is the tape application. Trying to keep sharp lines and everything, so when you're done with the casting, pulling it out of the box, you don't have a bunch of air bubbles in here that's gonna cost you more time and, have to cut away more of the resin at the finish. So quick method here to show you. Check it out. Pull this out, rest it right up on here, and I'm already pointing the same direction, so it's a good lie. Take you a little Bondo squeegee. Check it. Right down, flip that up, come on out, pull you some slack, and then reverse it. Pull it away from you, got it right to the corner, right up, over. Take your knife, make a cut, boom. That quick, tire table. Y'all, welcome back. We're back here at Rodney's cabin. We wanted to give you a different kind of view. So I'm gonna walk upstairs here so you can see the whole piece of the pie. Coming on up the stairs, check this out. Now, we didn't get the lights in it. We had to order them. They'll be here soon. They didn't have exactly what we needed, but this is the overhead view. Rodney, brother, you like it?
I love it, buddy. I love it.
It's awesome.
Great job, both of you. Great job.
Awesome. So we wanted you all to see what we seen, and I wanted you to see that stone. I'm gonna walk back down here. I want you to see that stone there. It's gonna be up front. So just gorgeous. Gorgeous how all that hits. And then here's the rest of his beautiful cabin he worked so very hard on. So until the next one, you all, we'll see you back real soon.